It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, October the 21st. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and temperatures slightly above average for much of the upcoming week. But as we get toward the weekend, forecast uncertainty starts to come into the mix. Evidence of a pattern change looming out there. One that could feature much cooler temperatures and maybe, just maybe, a shot at some precipitation. We'll break it all down, but first, check out the almanac from yesterday. 87 degrees the high in the valley. 58 was the gloriously cool morning low. The normals, 87 and 63. Outside now here at 7:50 a.m. Sunny skies out there. 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, but the air mass very dry. The dew point at 19. Relative humidity 20%. The air is calm, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area right now. 43, the cool spot at Goldfield. 45, Fort McDowell. Most of us are in the 50s to about 60. The upper air analysis this morning, a dry northwesterly flow here across the southwestern United States in the wake of a vigorous upper trough over the nation's heartland. To the south and east of that, you can see what's going on the watch warning map. Severe thunderstorm watches and tornado watches for parts of Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Tennessee. Elsewhere, we've got some wind advisories for parts of the Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, and Nebraska. Here in the west, things are fairly quiet. Convective outlook for today, we've got the slight risk of severe storms around New Orleans up to Jackson and over toward Greenville and Troy, Alabama. The marginal risk for much of the adjacent states, the Deep South, the Tennessee Valley. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Metro Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, basically nothing. A benign weather pattern will hold for a while, but things are changing eventually. We'll talk about it now as we look at the models. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And this is the upper look at about 18,000 feet. Same old pattern, really. Got a ridge over the southeast, a ridge off the west coast, a trough in the middle, a northwesterly flow here. So down at the surface, sunny skies, dry air, highs upper 80s to near 90. Tonight, clear skies. We'll cool off nicely into the 50s to near 60. And then tomorrow, sunny, ever so slightly warmer, highs, low 90s. Pretty much the same deal on Wednesday, sunny skies, low 90s. Near 90 on Thursday, mostly sunny skies. Friday, we've got a ridge continuing to build off the west coast. A trough may be sliding through the Intermountain West. How intense that trough is still remains to be seen at this point. Probably not going to affect us too much. Just cool off temperatures a couple of degrees. Highs mid to upper 80s. The sky partly cloudy. Saturday, mostly sunny skies, mid to upper 80s. And same thing on Sunday, mostly sunny, mid to upper 80s. All right, here we go to a week from today. This is Monday the 28th. And this run of the GFS, not nearly as sharp with this trough moving through the west, but it's still got a cold front moving through the Four Corners region, the southwest, and that would lead to cooler temperatures, highs closer to average. And going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, Wednesday the 30th, kind of a zonal flow and temperatures close to average. But let me show you the European. This is next Tuesday. This is the 29th. It's got a deep upper low here across the southwestern United States. And so there is quite a bit of model disagreement. The ensembles are all over the board in terms of timing, intensity, placement of a potential trough here for the southwest. But one thing is evident, and that is that temperatures will be trending down as we go into next week. So finally, a taste of some crisp fall air just in time for Halloween. And longtime Phoenix residents know that's about when it normally happens here. All right, let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the European ensemble. Yes, we're warm this week, but look what happens next week. Highs getting down into the 70s, maybe low 70s, lows 50s. I don't know if we get down into the 40s here in the mid-city, but certainly some spots around the valley will. The bottom line is finally some cooler weather just around the corner. All right, that looks good. That's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy our videos, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there and have yourselves a great Monday.